The main driver of land use in Europe, and especially here in the north, is not population, it's wealth. We build large homes, more houses for holiday use, infrastructure for tourism. So we take up more and more space for things that are not strictly essential. And that means we can also choose to stop. The reason we in the Nordic countries destroy nature in such disproportionately large amounts is partly because we still have a lot of nature left. This is not a valid excuse. The Nordic forests are vital for protecting biodiversity and fighting climate change, and it's our responsibility to protect them.